Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully complete our registration option, and after the registration, then it should be redirected to our admin page, that means the back page. And now in this video, I will discuss about like here there is one of the option for the logout. So right now I want to add some of the link for the logout. So if you click on the logout, then this will be redirected to our another page. Okay. So how can create that logout option in this video? I will show you that things with the live example. So for doing this, first of all, we have to go to our code area, that means directory, and in our directory, that is actually on the resources, and into the resources here there is a layouts, and into the layout there is a appblade.php. So right now I just open it, and into this page they have already that link. Like here you can see there is actually the route logout. So there is on click logout. So right now I just copy it. Okay, I just copy all that heavy from here. I just copy that things from to this position, and now that page, that is this page is our admin page, and in our admin here there is our admin header area, and into the header I just define that link. Okay, that is the logout link. So if you now go to the admin, so in our admin, then the layout there is the header. Okay, so for now I just select that header blade, and into this position, that is actually on here, you can see that is actually logout. So this logout actually is now visible on here. So right now I just want to put some of the link, like here they have some of the links, so I just already copy one of the link, and now I just paste that link on particular that position. Okay, and now if you click on the save all, like I just click on the save all, and then I have to open our app page again, like there is actually layout and the app blade, and into this position they have some of the form, like here you can see that they have some of the form. So now I just copy that from to this position, and in our header after that logout. Okay, and here I just paste that things on particular this area. So better I just put that things little bit here, this area. Okay, so I just put that from on particular that position. Okay, perfect. So after that logout here, I just paste that from, and now if you click on the save all, I just click on the save all, and now if you refresh that page, I just refresh our backend, and now if you go to that logout options, like there is a logout, now I click on the logout. Yes, you can see after that clicking the logout, then it should be redirected to our home page. So we successfully completed our logout portions. So here it's now perfectly worked. Okay, so in our app blade, so here already they have some of the links, so I just copy that link from to this position, and also I just added that from after that area, that means after that logout, and here I just assign that from. It's now perfect. So our logout is now perfectly worked. So now if you go to the logging again, so I just define that login. Okay, and if you now go to the login, so I already created one of the author as a Aryan, so I just copy that Aryan, and here I paste it. I just put the password, and then I just click on the sign in. Yeah, now you see it's now redirected to our backend, and now if you click on the logout, and after that logout, then it's redirected to our home page. So each and everything is now perfectly working on here. So in our next video, I will show you about the permissions, like how can permit your author, how can actually give some of the privilegization for the adding the post, for the editing the post. Okay, so each and everything I will show you with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.